minutes candle. What's happening? My network is slow. Why is it 15 minutes candle opening? Okay. It's left with 2 minutes for it to close. It's left with 3 minutes for it to close. So let's wait for this 15 minutes candle to close. This 15 minutes candle is left with 3 minutes for it to close. So let's wait for it to close. Let's see what this 15 minutes candle want to do. But 3 minutes, let's wait for the 3 minutes to close, for this candle to close. Since it's left with 3 minutes, now it's left with 2 minutes. Then for the other one, for the other 15 minutes candle, then we can anticipate to take a position. The moment it broke the high of this bullish candle over here. Let me see. Let me explain to you guys. So let's imagine that this 15 minutes candle closed with a bullish candle like this here. It broke the high of this bearish candle over here. Let's say it closed like this. And then it created a wick like this. Created a wick like this. That is the 15 minutes candle. This is our 30 minutes anticipation, what we are anticipating the market to give to us. So which this candle closed with this candle over here. So this other candle is 15 minutes candle. If this 15 minutes candle should close like this, like I'm trying to give you guys what we are anticipating the market to give to us. So the next 15 minutes candle should be able to break the high of this bullish candle over here. Then for the trade to keep going up, maybe to your 30 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips thereabouts. So let's see. So the 30 minutes candle, we are anticipating the next 15 minutes candle to break the high of this. If this candle should close with a bullish candle above this resistance zone over here, so that means you're anticipating the next 30 minutes candle for it to break the high of the candle that closed, like this candle that closed with a bullish candle, which is left with 1 minute. So this is 15 minutes. So this 15 minutes candle will close right now. Let's see how the next 15 minutes candle will print. Then we can decide to anticipate the candle to break the high of this bullish candle, this 15 minutes bullish candle. Remember, these are 30 minutes setup and this is 15 minutes setup. So let's see. So let's measure this 15 minutes candle over here, which we are anticipating 75 pips. So since it's a 75 pips, since the thing is 75 pips, so what we need to do, the next 15 minutes candle should create a wick at the bottom. Then for it to continue to go up, to break this high over here, for it to continue to go up. So since this 15 minutes candle is 75 pips, so that means you know how much your stop loss will be. So let's see what the next 15 minutes candle wants to do, then can decide to take a position. The moment this candle should break this bearish candle over here, this weak bearish candle, I'm going to take a position here. The moment it should break the high of this bearish candle, let me just, yeah. once it broke here, so let me change this color to this, since we are anticipating it for it to break it. So once it broke this bearish candle, the wick of this bearish candle, I'm going to open a position. So let me say it has created a wick from here to the low of this week. We are looking at 43 pips, 42 pips. So if this candle has created a wick, so that means for it to continue to go up and break the wick of this rejection bearish candle and break this line over here, so I'm going to open a position, then anticipating the candle to keep going up to I take profit. So the moment this candle should break this wick over here, that means I'm going to open a position, then we'll anticipate the candle to keep going up. So we're targeting long here, which the stop loss will be here, like 45, 40 something pips. Know how much you want from the market, know exactly how you're anticipating the market to give you a setup. So that means you're anticipating it for you to give us like 90 pips here about. For it to give us like 90 pips here about. So let's see. For it to give us like 90 pips. So the moment it broke this, the high of this line over here, then we can decide to take a position. I hope the chart is not confusing though. So let's see how the candle will close. So let's wait for the candle and see. Let's see what the candle want to do. Let's see what the candle want to do. So I'm holding my phone. So see. Once look at this is my MT5, sorry. So the moment it gets to that zone, I'm going to open a position. Since we are anticipating the candle to keep going up. Let me look at the 30 minutes. What the chart is saying. happened? Why is he doing like this? Because I'm looking at my MT5 at the moment. Look at my MT5. Oh, wow. I missed the entry. We missed the entry. We missed the entry. Oh, missed the entry. We missed the entry. It's because of like the trading view. I don't know why it was doing the way it was doing. I wanted to see the 30 minutes candle, how the 30 minutes candle is printing. The same thing I'm doing right now is taking so much time. 30 minutes candle is left with 7 minutes before it closes. I hope the chart is not confusing. This is just one thing that you guys need to understand. You need to know what you're anticipating the market to give to you, how you want it, then before you can decide to take a position. So let's see how this candle will close. Let's see how this candle will close. Let's see how the candle will close. Don't forget, this is our 30 minutes confirmation trade, like confirmation setup. So we just look at the 15 minutes candle just to have an idea what the candle is doing. I don't know why the chart is delaying like this. I don't know whether it's from my network. I don't know why the chart is delaying so much. It's left with 6 minutes. It's left with 6 minutes. I understand that this candle, because of the fact that the trading view was like it was delaying, I don't know, maybe because of my network. I understand that it broke this line over here, but I didn't see it. Like we didn't see it. So I didn't take that position because of how the network was doing. So let's see. It's best for us to wait and see what the markets want to do. Let's see. Because it has created a wick over here. So and it broke the high of this bullish candle for the trade to keep going up. So let's see. But we didn't take a position. So we didn't take a position yet. So let's see. Even though this candle should get to our entering position, I'm not going to take a position because 15 minutes, 30 minutes candle is left with 4 minutes before the 30 minutes candle will close. So always know what you're anticipating the market to give to you. I don't know why the chart is delaying like this. I don't know why the chart is delaying like this. So let's wait until this 30 minutes candle will close, so that we'll be able to know what you're anticipating the market to give to us. So the best thing is just for us to wait. Let's see. It's left with 2 minutes. So let me remove this. So since you guys already know what you're anticipating the market to give to us, so let me just delete this. Let me delete this and let me delete this. Let's delete this. So let the 30 minutes candle close. Let's see. So our entering position is still active. Like, we need to wait until it break the high of days. But let's see how this 30 minutes candle will close first. Then we'll know if you are supposed to take a position. But for me, I'm anticipating it to close with a bullish candle, not a rejection bullish candle, but a bullish candle. Let's see, since it's left with 1 minute. So what do the next 30 minutes candle want to do? Let's see what the next 30 minutes candle want to do. Let's see what the next 30 minutes candle want to do. This over here to this 38 pips. Let's see. This candle, it shouldn't break the low of this bullish candle over here. This candle, it shouldn't break the low of this bullish candle over here. It shouldn't break the low of this bullish candle. The moment it broke the low of this bullish candle, that means this our buy is no longer valid. So it should respect the low. It has broken the low. It has broken the low. It has broken the low. So this our buy is no longer valid because it broke the low. Let me show you guys. See, it has broken the low. It has broken the low. It has broken the low. But anyways, like, I'm gonna head off. So since today is Thursday, I took a trade before I started this live stream. So since we didn't identify a structure, I guess we call it a day. Then tomorrow I'm gonna do live stream again, and next week. So it's okay for you to come to the market and not to take a position. Just for you guys, like I don't know if some of you took a position earlier on, but as of me, I sent a trade analysis to our community, which I told them that what we are expecting the market to give to us and everything. So which I know very well that plenty of them like took advantage of the analysis that I sent. Even though this candle should continue to go up to break the high of this rejection bullish candle, I'm not going to take a position because this is not what I'm expecting the market to give to me, because the market can be tricky like sometimes, like, so always know what you want. Even though you didn't take a position today, it's okay. Don't tell yourself that if the market should continue to go up to break the high of this, except you know what you're doing. But as of me, since this candle broke the low of this rejection bullish candle over here, I'm not going to do anything. So I'm done for today until tomorrow.